The Top 5 Vegan Cuisines, a Global Flavor Adventure. Hey there, hipper veganers! Ready to take your taste buds on a wild ride around the world? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the top 5 vegan cuisines that'll make your mouth water and your Instagram followers jealous. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just veg curious, these global flavors will have you saying hasta la vista to boring salads faster than you can say nutritional yeast. But first, feast your eyes on this mouth-watering video showcasing one of the most delicious American vegan dishes. Now that we've got your stomach growling, let's dive into the creme de la plant-based creme of vegan cuisines. If you haven't fallen head over heels for Indian vegan cuisine yet, where have you been hiding? This flavor powerhouse is like a Bollywood dance party in your mouth. From creamy lentil dales to crispy samosas and aromatic vegetable curries, Indian food is a vegan paradise. Pro tip: don't sleep on chana masala. These spicy chickpeas will make you forget all about chicken tikka masala. And let's not forget about naan bread. Just make sure to ask for it without ghee, clarified butter, to keep it vegan friendly. Check out this vegan Indian cookbook, Vegan Richa's Indian Kitchen, traditional and creative recipes for the home cook. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the top 5 vegan cuisines that'll make your mouth water. Ethiopian cuisine is like the cool, hipster cousin of vegan food. It was plant-based before it was trendy. Centered around injera, a spongy sourdough flatbread, Ethiopian meals are a hands-on experience that'll make you forget about utensils altogether. Key players in this cuisine include hearty lentil stews, mysir wat, spicy split peas, kik alicha, and garlicky collard greens, gomen. The best part? It's all served on one big platter, perfect for sharing with friends. Contrary to popular belief, Mexican cuisine isn't all about cheese and meat. In fact, traditional Mexican food is a vegan goldmine. We're talking zesty guacamole, smoky grilled nopales, cactus paddles, and hearty bean-filled burritos. Don't forget to wash it all down with a refreshing agua fresca, or a vegan horchata. When you think of Japanese cuisine, sushi might be the first thing that comes to mind. But hold on to your chopsticks. There's a whole world of vegan-friendly Japanese dishes waiting to be discovered. How about some umami-rich miso soup, a steaming bowl of vegetable ramen, or get some crispy vegetable tempura? And let's not forget about the almighty edamame, the perfect snack. Last but certainly not least, we've got Lebanese cuisine, the unsung hero of the vegan world. If you haven't experienced the joy of diving face first into a giant bowl of creamy hummus, have you even lived? Feast on crispy falafel, refreshing tabbouleh salad, and stuffed grape leaves, dolma. Have a order of baba ganoush. It's like hummus's smoky, mysterious cousin that'll have you coming back for more. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring these amazing vegan cuisines. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you.